Hello, my name is Askan Azala, and today I would like to explain to you about registration website. And this is my program. This doctype HTML is default. You can use it, and the title is registration. What title for? This title in the head is for link in your website. So my link name is registration, and this in the body H1 or heading 1 is for title in website. So on top on your website there is a title in name is registrasi account, and this field set used to a group form element, and legend is the title of this field set, and this is form element. Form action is for if you click submit you can go to biodata HTML, and this is label to create a label for a user to what to input in here, so the user not be confused. And this input, and this is input. I use a input text because a name is a text, not a number. And this is required is for if you not input anything in here, so there will be not gonna be submit. And this is placeholder is to example what to input in this name, and BR is for endline, and this label is the same as a name, and input we use text. Why? Because a name is not a number that we can sum up. And this is pattern. This pattern is 0 until 9. What's for is for if you input under 9, 8. If you input 10 or not, what is it? If you input up for 9, you will not gonna be submit, not gonna be not gonna work. Yes. And this is for email. This email I use input type email. Why? Because if someone input email wrong, you can submit it. And this placeholder is the same, and label is same. And oh yes, in this gender or jenis kelamin I use input type radio, and I use to for woman and for men, untuk laki-laki atau perempuan. Why? Because if I click one for male example and the woman or perempuan is not gonna check. And this is for religion or agama. In religion I use select because it can drop down my option. If you click select, this option will be dropped and you can choose it. And the selected is default or default check for religion. And in password I use input type password. Why? Because if I input password in here, it will be star or hide. And this is input type submit for submit. If you click submit, you will go to biodata HTML. And That's for registration HTML, and I will explain to you about biodata HTML too. And this is doc.html is default, and this is title biodata for link for titling in my website, and this is style, and this style is for my table. If this table heading, and I use color background table heading blue. This body h1 is for the same as h1 in that. Oh, nah, this is h2. H2 is for heading 2. So main title is h1 or biodata, and down is identitas diri. This for input image. What? This input image I use asset slash profile.jpg. Why asset? Because my image in this asset, so I can call it in this image. And this is unordered list for my biodata identitas diri. Why I use this? Because it's used sequentially, so with sequentially. And this hobby, this is image for my hobby. This width and height to create an ukuran. What ukuran? To create an image that you want. With weight is 200 and height is 118. And this is ordered list to create my hobby with sequentially. So this is ordered this. In ordered this, this is will be a numbered, and this is not will be numbered in unordered list, but in ordered list will be numbered. And H2 is for riwayat pendidikan, and table border 1 is for border in the table. So my table is have a border to create to aesthetic for my table, not a mess. This table row tr or table row, this table heading for heading my table. This is td or table data is for my data in table, and that's all. This table is for create a table, and border is for create a border in the table. Yes, so that's for all I explained to you about my program, and this is the result of my program. Wait. Wait. This is the result of my program. This for biodata. This is identitas diri heading 2. This is heading 1, and this is in head, title in head, and this is unordered list. This is ordered list. This is for image. This is table heading, and this is color, background color in head. I use style, I use blue, and this is table data, and this is table border in his, and this is registration account. This is a field set. This is a title void set. This is a name, input name. This is input name. This is email. This is gender. If I click man, the woman will be not checked. And this is select for religion. So if I click this will be an option in down here. And this is for board. If I input anything in here, it will be circle or height. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.